What do you want, Sheriff?
Look, I'm not even gonna ask where he is now, okay? I just want to know the last time he was here. That's all.
No, I don't know. But yeah, he hasn't been here in a while.
Does he tell you when to close, too?
Nope. And he doesn't tell me when to tell you to fuck off.
Does he tell you when to close, too?
Yeah, it's called advertising.
Does he tell you when to close, too?
Well, I don't got any anyway.
Think that's funny? Yep. Think it's being nice. So try again.
Ogres, too.
Thanks for the...
Actually, Big B, if you'll excuse me, it seems that I'm gonna pass out. What a day. Am I right, Sheriff?
Come on, I need entertainment. This'll do.
Yeah, it's called advertising.
This is serious, Holly. Harboring a fugitive is gonna get you in as much trouble as he's in. You could lose everything. Or...
No, I'm telling you, I haven't seen him for a couple days.
Holly, you're out of paper towels and,
Holly wanted to clear it, but, well, Woody, that makes two of us.
You and me been going at it for hundreds of years. I'm through fighting.
Saved your beer for you. Holly wanted to clear it, but, I just want to talk. This doesn't have to go like this. Maybe he don't want to talk to you. Why don't we let him tell me that?
It's okay, Grant.
It's funny. Just a minute ago, no one seemed to know who you were.
Yeah, well, everyone knows you. The big bad wolf. Come on! Kill you, you fucking bitch.
Let me help you.
Yeah, well, everyone knows you. The big bad wolf.
Oh, you were planning on robbing her?
Yeah, her and her grandma.
Grandma? Wait, what are you talking about?
What a day. Am I right, Sheriff?
Something? Or you just here to bother my customers?
Well, Woody, that makes two of us. Well, Woody, that makes two of us.
I wouldn't wake her if I were you.
Well, thanks for the...
Action.
You're still standing there, aren't you?
Beauty?
Hello, Big B. Damn it, I'm late.
promise.
I will, but I have to go. Thank you for trusting me. Really, I appreciate it, Bigby.
It's funny. Just a minute ago, no one seemed to know who you were.
Yeah, well, everyone knows you. Big bad wolf.
Not exactly comfortable with it either, but hey, you play the hand.
Well, some folks are forced to play with shit.
That's a lovely image.
Guess you want to know about the girl.
Amongst other things, sure.
I'd walk past her place for weeks.
Thanks. Couple thousand more of these, we'll be even on that house you owe me.
Amongst other things, sure.
Maybe. I don't know. But yeah, he hasn't been here in a while, if he's been here at all, which... I don't know.
You have keys to these rooms?
I thought you had a key.
Not to this one.
Hold on, Bigby. I can't just let you go into any room you want.
Please.
Fine. Well, that's weird. This key is... Stop! Leave it be! This is my fault! Please, no! I understand!
You ruined everything!
Gave them both barmecidal ambrosia. For the pain.
Look, the deal is, if you resist going to sleep, like I am right now, it gives you a very, very, very nice high.
Said that he shouldn't mix it with alcohol.
Oh, no. And anyways, the doctor gave me strict orders to let the fine woman sleep. She's had a very traumatic experience. That funeral back there, that was a shitty fucking send-off.
And Lily is dead. So let's put this whole thing to rest, Grin.
What a fucking day.
Is anyone there? Bigby, if you're there, pick up, okay? Yeah, but who knows how long that'll take. You should try going up to Crane's place. I sent Buffkin up there to check on things. Bluebeard, you know. Or you could try at the Tweedle's office? Sounds good. Just keep me posted. In the meantime, I'll see what I can do on this end. I hope you're right.
We'll head over to Crane's apartment, see what I can find there.
Sounds good. Just keep me posted. In the meantime, I'll see what I can do on this end.
Okay.
Good luck, Bigby.
We'll find him, Snow.